Is it possible to make sales without referring? Can you build an online business without referring? I get asked this question every day. Well, before we can answer that question, we need to ask, why are you not referring? I'm sure many people have said to you, doesn't matter what business you're in, why are you not out recruiting? You can only make sales if you're out recruiting, so why are you not doing it? Maybe it's because you're Billy No Mates and you don't have anybody that you could possibly tell about your new business. Or maybe you're just too shy to ask. You don't want to contact your friends and your family and tell them about a new business on the internet that you're going into. You're shy and you fear getting that rejection. Well, let me tell you, it is possible to make sales without referring. So let me show you proof. I had 13 sales that equal to $4,069 at the time of making this video. Out of that, I got paid $1,709.07 in commission without referring a single person. Let me share my screen with you and I'm going to show you proof of this right now, that I earned $1,709 without referring a single person. Now, at any point in this video, if you want to be part of a business that you could earn thousands of dollars without referring, below the video there's a link. It's going to take you to this page. There's a video on that page that I highly recommend you watch. Beside that video, when you're ready, put your name and your email address in there, click watch the video, and I'm going to send you another video of how you can get set up in this amazing system. It's truly mind-blowing. But let me prove to you how I earned just over $1,700 without referring a single person with this system. Here I am in the back office of my business. Now, as you can see, I referred 2 people. In total, I've earned $5,123 from this account. Now, you're probably looking at the screen and said, Jeremy, you said that you don't have to refer. Let me show you what I earned from the people that I didn't refer. So if I move down the screen, I want to bring your eyes to this key here at the bottom, and it's color coded. As you can see here, it says partners invited by you. That means people that I referred, I will earn a commission from. This blue dot represents bottom overflow. So that means I've received people into my business that I don't even know from somebody below. Overflow from above. That means that somebody joined the business before me and is giving me clients and paying me for it. So let's have a look. These are the packages. There's 12 ways here that you can earn commission without referring a single person. This video is about you earning money from people you didn't refer. So as you can see, all these blue dots here, I didn't refer. So let's add up what I earned, because we only want to add up the positions that paid me. So coming from left to right, on this slot here, I earned from these 2 people. So let's add it up. So I got paid this amount in Ethereum. So let's get the calculator. So I got from this position, because it's not referred by me, this is bottom overflow, so this is people that have been passed up to me. I got a 0.025, so 0.025 of Ethereum. And the same again for this person, 0.025 of Ethereum. There's 2 more blue dots. So I got a 0.05 plus the second one, which is a 0.05. Moving along a bit further, this number 4 slot, as you can see, I've got 2 more blue dots, which means I received a commission from these people that I didn't refer. So let's add that up. That's a 0.2 for the first blue dot and a 0.2 for the second blue dot. Moving along a bit further, I've earned no commission from any of these. Coming down to this number 7 here, slot 7, no commission earned there. But in slot 8, I've got this blue dot and this blue dot. So I earned 3.2 from this first blue dot and 3.2 Ethereum from that second blue dot. That's a total of 6.975 Ethereum. So let's copy that and go over to Google. So first off, I've gone to Google and I've put ETH to USD. So let's see how much that equated to in dollars. So in dollars, I received, without referring anybody, 1,713. It's gone up slightly because Ethereum will obviously go up and down in price because it's a cryptocurrency. Let's have a look how much that is in pounds. So I earned £1,354 from people that I didn't refer into my business. So let's have a look at how much that is in euros. So I earned €1,512 from people that I didn't refer or people that I don't even know from this amazing system. Now, if you want to get started in this amazing business, below the video you're going to find a link. It's going to take you to this page. Watch the video. It's going to blow your socks completely off. When you're ready, pop your name and your email in this box here. Click this button that says watch video. I'm going to send you another video that's going to blow completely all your socks off. You're going to be amazed by it. And I'm also going to send you instructions of how you can get set up in this business, and you can get started in this business for as little as $13. Or if you're in Europe, you can get started with as little as €11. Or of course, if you're in the UK, it's only £10. £10 for a system where you could have the potential to earn, just like I did, where I earned just over $1,700 in commission without referring anybody. Click that link. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. You have an amazing day. Bye now.